Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to get a free car wash at Circle K. Now, to potentially get, a free car wash at Circle K, you can explore their car wash club subscription, or you can look for their, promotional offers or discounts, which are often found through the Circle K app. So this is a breakdown I'm gonna give you. So you come here on Circle K, right? And you can get their Circle K Car Wash Club subscription. And basically, this allows you to wash your car every day for a monthly fee. And you can sign up for the subscription through the Circle K app as well. And the app will generate a unique code for each car wash. Okay. And they also offer, promotional offers and discounts, which you want to check out for right on the Circle K app for any promotional offers or discounts or free car washes. And if you have a free car wash in your account, you'll need to go in store to redeem it at the terminal. And you can go here at the store locator to find participating, car wash locations. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.